Real quick before we get started, you guys, make sure that you check the drop down description box below this video, and I will tell you the prices of everything I use: the paint, the stripper, the liquid stripper, the spray, metallic spray, and the stain. And then also there'll be more information in the drop down description box below. You guys also feel free to check out other videos on this channel. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. The renovation and remodeling on the house has begun. So today I am going to be showing you how to paint your bedroom furniture, your wood bedroom furniture. Since the kitchen took up the bulk of the funds, I basically did a budget-friendly remodel on the rest of the house. I did get a brand new bed, but the furniture was just not in the budget. Bedroom furniture was not in the budget. So I'm going to be showing you how to paint a dresser, a chest of drawers. I think it's like 5 or 6 drawers, 2 nightstands, and without using a sander, without using a hand sander. So this is going to be an easier process, a much less cumbersome process. It's not going to leave a lot of mess. So this is what we're going to be using. So this is what we're using today: the Clean Strip liquid sandpaper, no mess, degreaser and deglosser. Hope you can see that. So that's what we're going to use to get all the varnish, the residue, the gloss, or whatever you want to call it, off of the dressers and the rest of the furniture. Then we're going to put on this cover stain, the primer. So this is going to block any of the wood coloring or anything like that to come through to your new paint color. And then we're going to paint it. And this is the brand that I'm using today. And I actually got upgraded from Home Depot because of what's going on now. A lot of shipments are not coming in. So they upgraded me to this. And I was supposed to pay $10 more for this brand, but because they had to upgrade me, they took $10 off. I ended up paying $16 for a gallon of paint. I got it in, oh, and I put the name right here of the paint that I was going to get. And you can get this color in that brand too. It's a very good brand. I think it's second behind the Bear brand. But they had the color that I like. And the color is Gray Tabby. And this is a satin finish. A satin finish. So it's going to go on wonderful onto your wood furniture because you have stripped it and primed it. And guys, real quick, I am going to be using my same hardware, but I am going to spray paint it. I wanted something that kind of looks like a satin nickel. So I got this Rust-Oleum metallic, and it's brilliant. It's a brilliant metal finish. And I kind of sprayed it on the little test thing at the store to see what it would look like, but it's silver metallic. And if for some reason this does not look good on here like I think that it will, I will go back and get a different kind of metallic spray. Maybe not a mirror finish, but I want something that's going to stand out from the dresser. So the man at the store did tell me, even though I'm using a liquid sander, he said for your hardware, see how shiny it is? You do need to sand this. He said kind of sand it a little bit, get it roughed up, and the spray will go on better. So I just wanted to let you know that. So you want to get all your drawers taken out. And actually this is the drawer from the nightstand because I'm starting on the nightstands first. But you want to just, with this Phillips screwdriver, hope you can see that. You want to just take out the hardware from the back. And then you can begin your process of doing the liquid sanding on the outside. Getting started with the stripper, you want to use old rags. I have about 6 of them here, and if you need more, you can get more, of course. Make sure you use some thicker gloves. You don't want the super thin ones that can tear real easy. You want to be able to protect your hands. And make sure you use some of these baggies for your hardware, your knobs, your pull parts for your dresser. These have the Ziploc on, and that's best so that they don't fall out and the screws don't fall out. I have, and just count how many you'll need. You want to keep them separate. You want to keep them separate. I am going to tag on this with this permanent marker. I'm going to write which drawer it is. So I'll put dresser, top right corner, dresser, top right middle, dresser, lower left. And because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I have the chest of drawers and then 2 nightstands that have 2 drawers in them. So you want to make sure that you keep everything separate so you can put them back with no problem. And just an example, I have Tracie's nightstand top drawer. And I got a box of 45 of these zip baggies at Dollar Tree, of course, for $1. It is February at the time that I am taping this video. It is a good 30-something degrees, so I was not transporting all this furniture down through the garage and outside to paint it. And we have snow on the ground. So I am going to be painting it right here in this room. You want to make sure you put a mask on so you won't be breathing the chemicals in directly. Open up the windows in your room for ventilation, and let's get started. So I am now about to add the primer on. I have already, let me show you. I've already stripped with the liquid stripper. I have 1 nightstand down there with 2 drawers, and then the dresser. The drawers are in the other room. I'm going to do those, of course. And then I have this nightstand, and you see everything is on plastic. And then 2 drawers, 1, 2. And this chest of drawers, which has the availability for 5 drawers. So that has been stripped with the liquid stripper, and now I am going to add the primer. So it's the next day, you guys. I didn't get a chance to finish last night, and I've started painting today. So as you see, all the white is the primer, and here's the nightstand right here. You can hardly see it, but that's primer. So I did that all yesterday. I stripped it yesterday, primed it, and now I am rolling out the paint. And it is coming out to be a pretty color. I can't wait till it's all done. And I'm using a sponge roller, and let me show you. I'm using a sponge roller to roll it out, and I'm using a brush. I really need a smaller, thinner brush to get in some of the crevices, like this design here. So, but anyway, I don't have one. And I'm just using the rollout sponge and a paintbrush. One coat is fully on all the furniture now. And the chest of drawers, and also the bookshelf over in the corner. So now I have 2 coats on every piece. I have it on the dresser, chest of drawers, 2 nightstands, and all the drawers. Here are the drawers. Some I've already put in my daughter's room because we're going to sleep back in our room tonight. We've been sleeping on the couch in the basement, or in the family room. I also have corresponded these baggies of the drawer pulls, the drawer handles. I put a number on them as well as an explanation of, you know, where they belong. And I put a number 12 on here and a number 12 on there. This will be hidden back in the drawers that shouldn't be able to be seen. But yeah, just coordinate your handles with your drawers. That way you can put the screws and handles back in the same drawer and everything should be a-okay. So my knobs finally came in from my dresser. I had to wait a few days to post this video because my knobs hadn't come in yet. But I had two knobs right here. One of the screws were messed up. So I just said, you know what? Let me put something different there. I just wanted to make it look different. And I bought two new knobs. Oh, these are so pretty. These are just gorgeous. I purchased these on Amazon, so I'll leave the link below. And also when my Amazon store is set up, my Amazon store will be linked down below as well. So you can purchase them there. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the dresser and also the nightstands. I painted it right here in my room. So this is my bed that you see right here. We're redoing about 6 rooms in the house. And this burgundy and gold will be gone and it will be changed. But this is the look of my furniture. We repainted the furniture and it came out amazing. I'm so pleased with the way it looks. So this is the dresser and 2 nightstands. One's my husband, one's mine. And I love those little knobs in the middle. Oh, just adds a little bit of glitz and glam. Love that. And here is the chest of drawers. It came out beautiful as well. Love it. And I love this gray. It's almost like a matte gray. It's a satin. It's satin, but it kind of looks a little matte. Has a little sheen to it. Just a little satin sheen. And I love it. It came out amazing. I am so pleased. So you guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. And yeah, come back often because we are redoing like I said, about 6 rooms in the house. And each one will be featured. We'll have a bedroom reveal, a kitchen reveal. The whole kitchen is gutted and remodeled. We're going to have that on. Our bedroom, our bathroom, the dining room, living room, and family room. All right. So yeah, the whole room is in shambles right now. It's 5 inches of snow outside and I painted this furniture right in my bedroom with the windows open for safety, of course. All right, so that is it. Let me give you all a side view. And yeah, I am so pleased. So pleased. Excuse my mess. But we have to paint in here. We have to strip some wallpaper and just different things. So come back and see what's on Tracie's Place. Check around my channel for other videos. All right, be blessed. Subscribe. Love to have you as a subscriber. And, you know, be part of the family. And hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified each time I upload a video. All right, guys. See you next time. Bye.